Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwad, and this is a short. I'm showing how I installed a Shiplap Backsplash in my kitchen. If you want to see the longer version, click the link shown in the top right corner. I started by pre-painting my boards with a sprayer, then I added a trim piece, and then I cut my first board. I attached it with 2-inch long 18-gauge brad nails. With the second board, I held it up to get my measurements correct and used a scrap piece to get the height. I then cut out the slots for the outlets with a scroll saw and a jigsaw. I had to clean up the sheetrock a little bit around each of the outlets to make sure the shiplap laid flat, and then I was able to attach the next pieces. Then we decided to run the shiplap up higher on this side because we wanted to be able to eventually hang something on the wall. This is the finished product. We're really happy with how it turned out. If you want to see the longer video with all of the details, you'll see a link showing on the screen right now. Hope you guys have a great day.